Welcome guys, so in this tutorial I want to show you how quickly you can move any application or any program that is out of your screen. Okay, so at first we have to simply go for the start. Just right here we have to click with the right mouse button and then select the settings. When we are here we have to go for the multitasking in this place. So click on it once and then just be sure that the snap windows, this feature, is enabled, and also all of these features are right here. So right now when you try to get any application, just open a random app, like for example the settings, and then go for this icon right here, and as you can see you will get the snap window features. So snap window like that, then open your application that is out of the screen, and right now you are able to move it and get it bigger, smaller, and put it wherever you want. So yeah, that's a tricky function. I hope that this tutorial is gonna help you. And that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.